Hi everyone. There are three basic parts in any type of a transformer. They are core, windings, insulating materials. For the production of those three basic parts, there are some more additional parts are added to the transformer. They are transformer tank, transformer oil, terminals and bushings, buckholes relay, conservator, breather, explosion vent, temperature gauge, oil gauge, cooling tubes or radiators, tap changers. These are the different parts of the transformer. Each part of a transformer consists particular function to perform. Function of each part of the transformer. The function of core is to provide a low reluctance path for the magnetic flux and also to support the windings. Mostly core is made up of silicon steel laminations because laminations reduces the eddy current losses, and silicon steel, which is soft magnetic material, reduces the hysteresis losses. These two losses are occurred when the flux passes through the core. The function of windings is to carry electric current through it and to produce flux in the core. Mostly windings are made up of copper because it has high conductivity and ductility, which results in minimizes the copper consumption and as well as the volume of the winding. Two sets of windings are mounted on the transformer core, which are primary and secondary windings. The primary winding is connected to the supply voltage and the secondary winding is connected to the load. The windings are insulated from each other. Function of insulating materials is to isolate primary and secondary winding from each other and also from the transformer core. Mostly we use insulating materials such as wax paper, enamel and cardboard because they are the good insulating materials which does not allow heat to flow through them. The function of the transformer tank. It provides space to protect the transformer tank from surrounding atmospheric products like dust, dirt, rain, lightnings, etc. and also works as a oil container. Generally, transformers are housed in a tightly fitted metal tanks filled with special insulating oil. This is constructed by thin steel sheets and are properly welded to avoid the leakage of oil from the tank. Function of transformer oil. It acts as an insulating medium between windings and the transformer tank and also provides cooling to the transformer core and windings. Transformer oil is a hydrocarbon mineral oil obtained from crude petroleum. The function of terminals and bushings. Terminals are used to take out the LV and HV windings from the transformer tank. These terminals are taken out through bushings to provide insulation between outgoing line conductor and tank or earth. The supply is given and drawn out to the terminals through bushings, and for voltages up to 33 kV, porcelain bushings are used through which line conductor is taken out. For voltages above 33 kV, oil-filled condensate bushings are used. The function of buckholes relay. It detects the faults inside the transformer tank and sends the signal to alarm circuit or to trip circuit by the gases released due to excessive heat increase in the transformer oil due to that faults. It is connected to the pipeline between the transformer tank and conservator. Whenever any small fault occurs, it sends a signal to the alarm circuit. If any big fault occurs, then it sends trip signal to the trip circuit breaker and it opens the circuit of the transformer. The function of conservator. It receives the increased volume of oil inside the transformer tank during expansion and discharges that oil during contraction because of increase or decrease in load as the temperature varies. A conservator is an airtight metallic cylindrical drum placed above the tank connected with it by a pipe through a relay. It is partially filled with oil. It receives oil during expansion. Then it is also known as expansion tank. When the oil expands, air is expelled out from the conservator and air is drawn inside under contraction of oil. This is the breathing process of conservator. Function of breather is to absorb moisture from air during breathing process of conservator. Breather consists of silica gel crystals impregnated with a cobalt chloride. It removes the moisture from the incoming air. The silica gel is blue when it is dry and it is pink when it is damp moisture. Silica gel is checked regularly and replaced soon after its color changes from blue to pink. The function of explosion vent is to protect the transformer tank from explosion due to sudden rise in pressure in case of any internal short circuit happen in the transformer. It is for an emergency purpose. It works when breather and buckholes relay are not working. Then that time oil expands with excessive heat and it leads to the transformer tank blast. To protect the transformer tank from the explosion, The explosion vent is connected to the transformer tank and its level is above the level of the conservator tank and has some vent at its end, and also provided a glass disc called diaphragm. During heavy internal faults, the diaphragm blown out and the oil rushes out of the explosion vent. The function of temperature gauge. It indicates the temperature of the transformer oil. If the temperature of the transformer oil reaches to 80 degrees, it sends a signal to alarm circuit, and if it is reaches to 90 degrees, then it sends a trip signal to circuit breaker. Function of oil gauge. It indicates the level of transformer oil in the conservator. A decrease in level of transformer oil in conservator is an indication of leak. Hence, it is provided an alarm when the oil level is dropped below the certain level. Then it gives an alarm. Function of cooling tubes or radiators. These are used for cooling the transformer by circulating the transformer oil through it and radiating the heat produced by the current carrying windings to the surroundings. When the oil temperature rises, the hot oil moves to the top and the cold oil moves down. Like that, the transformer oil circulates through the cooling tubes and dissipates the heat outside. Function of tap changers. In this, tappings are provided to regulate the output voltage by altering the turns ratio. There are two methods of tap changing. 1. Off-load tap changing method. 2. On-load tap changing method. In off-load tap changing method, the tappings are changed after disconnecting the load on transformer. In on-load tap changing method, the tappings are changed while transformer delivering the load. Thanks for watching. If you understood the content, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos on transformers. And also activate the bell icon for quick notification when I upload a new video.